Hello everybody, welcome to Kimbweta session. This is Richard. Today we're going to continue with the next lecture, that is types of information systems. As I said in the previous lecture that we studied this course because we have to use information system in any organization. So by knowing that, we have to know that information systems are categorized according to hierarchies in the organization, and specific according to responsibilities and duties in organization. So basically, when we have information systems, it means they are being categorized. They are categorized according to the business according to the business organization and the business hierarchy. Okay, so we call the businesses organization or the businesses model, we put them in the pyramid form. That's we say that even these systems are being categorized according to the business pyramids. Okay, so we have almost four types of information system based on businesses organization or business responsibility. We have the first is transaction processing system, second is management information system, and the third one is decision support systems, and the fourth one is executive information system. As I said, we basically categorize these systems by considering the responsibilities and the duties in the organization of any company or of any organization, right? So these transaction processing systems are basically used by to perform daily operation. It's like we have a company that let's say that is doing daily sales and making order and so on. Almost not about sales or about ordering. So ordering is just a very element operation in any company. So those orders are processed by this transaction processing system. In short, they are called TPS. These, as I said, these are there just to keep track on very element activities within a company, such as sales, cash deposits, and doing order processing, and so on like that. But basically, as I said, this is used by those operators or those daily workers. You see. And we have another kind of type of information system that is called management information system. This is used by middle managers to supervise the daily operators. So if we have those managers, we have the workers in a company. Then there is a middle manager who is supervising them to do some things. Those middle managers are using this system, that is management information system, so that to check if all the activities are going as it is required. And that management information system has some important and very crucial things that you have to understand. These we call them IMRs in abbreviation, that we say they are helping in doing decision and making decision strategies. See, in a company, okay, they are used just by middle managers. As we say, they deal with the past and the present rather than the future. So these are not such useful in making strategy for the future, but they considering the past and the present. So these are such kind of information system. Comparing to TPS, the main role of TPS is just to be used by those operators and tracking very element activities within a company, and also to provide a room or to provide information to all other these information like NIS and the DSS. You see that? Okay, we have another type of information system that is called DSS, Decision Support Systems. This is used by senior managers within a company. So if we have if we have let's say we have chief executive, chief information officer, and so on. They're using this system can be seen as it's been written there. The first is the creation of knowledge on how the managers can think to allow integration within the organization. So, because if we get the correct information from MENS and the TPS, we can know how to connect information or to integrate this and this to get something. So let's say we see that the rate of processing order is very slow, and that's information is coming from the TPS. And when we come to MIS, they are just saying, oh, yeah, considering the present time and the past time, the rate of information processed is very, very low. It's very slow and low. See that? So by seeing that, using this decision support system, it will help the senior managers to see, because they see all the knowledge of the past and the present, which is being described by the lowest systems. They can give the knowledge on how they can strategize on the future, how they can predict, or how they can organize for the future basis, how to increase those rate of processing the order. You see that? So another very important thing is that these BSS are helping in making future decisions. This is almost the very, very important thing for this DSS. And it takes information from the TPS and the MIS, as I said. And as I said, this is very concerned in predicting the future, as you see on the screen. It's all effectiveness oriented, since they are trying to look what is missing, what we can put there to fit. You see that, so it brings out effectiveness. This is very, very important, because the result of these essays are going to be fed to the last information system, that is the EIS, that is executive information system. These are strategic level of information system. It means that they are the last or the top one that help to control all, or to oversee all the system, all business system within an organization. And they are basically used by CEOs or top leaders in the company, so as they can have some future. They can force in the future and give out some strategic organization. Let's say we have Mohammed Baresa there, in the Baresa group of company. So by having this executive information system, Baresa can know why or what to do in the future, so as to increase the sales or to increase the production, and see what track to be used. And there are many things that this EAS is going to do. So we have seen that the types of information system are basically fit in the pyramid, but in some cases there are some information systems that are not fitting in this pyramid mode of organization. There are some information system like we call it search engine, data warehouse, enterprise resource planning, and we got the graphic information system, office automation. So these kind of information systems are not fitting within this pyramid of that we have talked here. And something very important, you have to understand the examples of systems that are in each model. Because, for example, when we are talking about TPS, what are the types of systems that can be found in TPS? So we have payroll system, order processing system, reservation system, and stock system. Also, we have systems for payment and fund transfer. So all these are just the TPS. They process the transaction, daily and active. And also in management information system, we have sales management system, we have inventory control system, we have budgeting system, You have management reporting system, and personnel always say HRM system, human resource management system. Also, when we come to DSS, we have systems like group decision support system, logistics system, financial planning system. So you have to see these as they are. You have to understand that. And also, very, very important about I think something that's very important we have already got covered, and you have to understand, to describe, you have to know it by after watching this video and understand. You have to know the type of information system used in organization, and you can know how to differentiate types of information system. Okay, thank you very much. This is Richard again. Okay, bye bye.